let me introduce you to the best private label rights store online. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry, and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how do you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are at PLRDatabase. Now PLRDatabase is my absolute favorite. Now let me give you a few reasons why I recommend this one probably above everything else. Well, first of all, let's go and have a look at the marketplace. So what we can do here is I would highly recommend that you go over here to the menu section, and then right here in the menu section is you've got exclusive products. Now you have a look at this, you click on this, and now these are products which are specifically designed and created for PLRDatabase and no one else. And the best part about it is every single one of these are private label rights. They're not master resale rights or resale rights, which is why I love it the most. And they have a huge range of different products that you can actually choose from. Now this is of course the paid section, and I would highly recommend that if you can afford it, then go for the paid section. Now if you want to know the pricing, let's go and have a look. Now we have over here the free one, which allows you to have up to about 1,500 ebooks that you can check out, or various other products as well. And then over here you got your premium, which is $10 a month, which I wouldn't recommend because it works out to be about $120 a year. Then you've got over here $25 for every 3 months, which still works out to be about $100 a year. Or you can do $49 a year, much cheaper. And if you can afford it, I would recommend you go for that one. And I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. Now, it does give you everything when you go for this one, the Premium Plus. It gives you absolutely everything in PLRDatabase, and you can literally download everything for free after that. $49, and that's it for the year. So let's go over here to the marketplace, go back to the menu section again, and we can also have a look at the other ones. You can have a look at the articles, or you can do audios, ebooks, graphics. You got packages, scripts, software, videos, and websites. I haven't looked at the websites, so I might have a quick look at that. See what sort of things they offer. Now these look like they might be plugins that you would then put into your WordPress site, I would say, because you've got beautiful squeeze pages here that look absolutely gorgeous. I would think that these are things that you would put into a WordPress website, unless they're in HTML. Let me have a quick look and see if they're considered HTML, or let's go down and choose a squeeze page or something. This squeeze page will do. Click on that and see what it offers us, because it could be HTML, or it could be zip file, private label rights, HTML, CSS, JPEG, PNG. Okay, so it could be an HTML file that you have to just download onto your hosting site. It looks like it's an HTML page that you would want to use, and throw that into your HTML editor, which maybe be something like Composer or something like that. And then you would throw that into your hosting company, and once you've done that, you'll be right to get started. Now, what other things do they have? Let's have a look at some of the features that they actually have to offer here. They're cram-packed with features actually. So they also have over here, when you scroll down, they've got 12,479 ebooks, 1,648 articles, graphics, 2,200 audios, and you can see what it says. So you can also have a bit of a read through this if you wish to. And also PLRDatabase allows you to scale your business using digital products. Okay, so we can go through here, have a bit of a read through that if you wish to. But let's go down and have a look at some of the things. It's got a really extensive marketplace. Also, they have an academy. They have a free learning academy that you can go to, which we will have a look at in just a moment. You also got public profile, which if you wish to, you can fill in some details and add some things to that so that you can then be found on their area, so that you can collaborate with other people if you wish to. They have a PLR Internet Marketing Forum, which I haven't found, so I'm not sure where that is. Maybe they've removed it, I'm not sure. And you can go through here and have a look. You can your own inventory as well, so you got copies of all your inventories of things that you've downloaded and so forth. Okay, so let's go and have a quick look at the Academy. Now this is the PLR Academy. You can create instant ebooks, and that one's talking about Scribble. And over here you got build funnels, So if you want to, you can learn something about that, watch videos, and also read the blog post if you wish to. What a PLR product, so it tells you what PLR products are, how to make money selling PLR on Facebook, and there's lots and lots and lots of different things that it can teach you. We've also got over here, I mean, these may be PLR products, but hey, if it works and they teach you something new, then great. PLR tactics, tips, making money with private labor rights, and as you can see, it has got a lot of different things. Boost your e-commerce traffic with YouTube. Okay, so it's got a lot of stuff it can teach you. And I would highly recommend that you jump on board and have a look at this. As I said, I will leave a link for this in the description down below. Now, other things you can also do. Let's have a look at some of the other things. Let's go back over here and we'll go over to the marketplace. Go over here to menu once again. And let's have a look at some of the ebooks, for example. Next week, I'm thinking I might actually create a video about how to edit PLR video courses or PLR videos, and we'll have a look at how to do that, and I'll show you how to edit PLR videos. That'll be next week, but today we can have a look at the various things they've got. Now, some of them are not private labor rights. When you look at this one here is master resale rights, so you can check these out. So this one here is reach your goals, private labor rights. You can find out by hovering over the top of them what type of rights that they have. This one here, everyday healthy, is PLR, and you can choose from here. Now, let's say, for example, you want to be able to find a particular niche, and you want to say, for example, go affiliate marketing and make it PLR. So let's just go click on that and see what it comes up with. I'm just going to pause the video while we're waiting. There we are. You got affiliate marketing PLR articles. It's giving you lots of different articles about affiliate marketing, PLR rebrand masterclass. Okay, so it's talking about PLR now. Done for your promo emails, PLR profit upgrade, and you can see there's lots of different things, but they're all private label rights because that's what you asked for. It doesn't look like they have anything here that's not private. Oh, there's a there's a resale rights just there, personal use rights just there, and another resale rights just there. So okay, it's not all private labor rights, but they do have the vast majority of them are. So these are just some of the reasons why I absolutely love PLRDatabase. Now, the fact that they have an exclusive range, that is the thing I love the most about it, because you are going to be able to get things that no one else can get unless they are a member of this particular site, which means it gives you a better chance of getting something out there which is going to be exclusive to you as well. Especially when you change it the way I teach you to change it, through doing things like using Quillbot and also changing the covers, changing all the content, making sure that you change between 90 to 100% of the content to make it 100% exclusively yours. And then you can then turn it into a video course, etc. and then repurpose it for other things as well. You can also use it for shorts videos and things like that. If you want to do TikTok or YouTube, you can do that too. And this is why I absolutely find this to be the best of the best of private label right product stores. Alright guys, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of PLRDatabase. Now, also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.